In this guide, I'm going to show you the 3 easiest ways that you can use to get steel springs here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there's a few methods, so let's get into it. The first method is going to be at the trader section up here if you go to Celeste. And at the bottom of our trade list, you can usually exchange 6 seeds for 1 steel spring. So scroll down there, you'll see it, 6 seeds right here. Simply go ahead and do this. And you can do this up to 10 times per day. This is by far the fastest and most reliable method. The second method is going to be on your inventory, so open that up. And what you're going to want to do is recycle guns or other equipment that you don't use anymore. You can do this just by right clicking on that weapon and then hitting recycle. And some of these items are going to break down into steel springs, giving you a steady supply as you clear out extra loot. Now the final method is going to be on your map, so go ahead and open that up. And what you're going to want to do is really open up any of these locations, for example, the blue gate, right? Hit inspect, and you're going to want to go specifically to areas that do have this little like industrial building icon on it. These spots are going to have a higher chance of dropping steel springs compared to the rest of the map. Now you're going to find them especially in places like, battlegrounds, but they will appear on multiple maps, so just keep that in mind. And steel springs are pretty common, so just pick them up. So you'll probably just end up picking up some while exploring normally, but these industrial zones make the process a lot easier and way faster. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.